My name is Nadja Schlichenmeier. I'm a project manager working at Steinbeis Europazentrum, and we have the honor of coordinating the EcoDali project, the coordination and support action of the Danube and Black Sea Lighthouse. And our aim is to provide a governance structure in the Danube and Black Sea Basin for the implementation of the mission and the achievement of our objective, which is to protect and restore the biodiversity and ecosystems of our beautiful basin.
I'm Bendegus Bakrati. I'm a 17-year-old Plastic Cup volunteer and also a Plastic Pirates ambassador. I started volunteering when I was 7 years old. I participated in the Plastic Cup initiative, so that every summer with my family we went boating on the River Tisa, cleaning up and try to prevent and stop the pollution in the rivers.
So as coordination and support action of the Danube and Black Sea Lighthouse, the only freshwater lighthouse within the mission Ocean and Waters, it has been very important for us to explain to our communities the connection between the river and the sea and the crucial impact their activities have not only on their local ecosystem but also on the larger water systems within all of the European Union. By really involving the local communities from the beginning in our activities, we have seen increased ownership and engagement with their local restoration efforts. And I want to invite all stakeholders to engage with us and continue collaborating on protecting and restoring the Danube River Basin.
First of all, the main thing that it has done, and it's really important to me and the Plastic Cup and also the Plastic Pirates, is that we can be here to represent the rivers and the importance of the rivers, because if we want to stop the pollution in the oceans, first we have to prevent it, and we have to work with the rivers in the land. In the countries that doesn't have an ocean, they have to focus on the rivers and the literacy in their rivers.